Otunba Oladele Olusegun Olapeju was born on Monday, 14th November 1955.
I was born on a Monday, 14th of November 1955 in Akure. My father was a headmaster and my mother was also a headmistress. And I think they met in Odigbo and then came back to me on the 14th of November 1955. Incidentally, if you look at the 9 months duration of gestation in the belly, I might have been properly consummated on the 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day. And when I was born, there were a lot of attacks, spiritual attacks and so on. And that was why he named me Olusegun. That is, God is victorious over all enemies.
Both parents were head teachers. Little wonder the boy Olusegun also became one.
But I actually began my primary school in 1961. I attended 3 schools, 2 in Akure and 1 in Aramoko. I recall I went to St. Francis Catholic School, then St. Peter's Primary School, all in Akure, before I moved to Aramoko in 1964, where my father was the headmaster of St. Philip's. I finished from St. Philip's in 1967 and went to Ekiti College in Ekiti. The first public secondary school in the whole of Ekiti State. And, the school had A-levels, but I did only 5 years before passing out in 1972. In 1973, I went to School of Agric under University of Ife for a diploma course in agriculture. And I was taken for the high national diploma when I moved to Ife. Instead of going for the HND, I went to Ife to go and start a course in education English. I gained admission to Ife in 1977. I matriculated then and graduated in 1981. And I moved to Bauchi State, St. Government Secondary School, Misao, where I served for 1 year. I won the state award of NYC there, and then began my career in service.
My name is Olarewaju Adeshiri. I am the managing director of Havila Group. Talking about my friend Oladele Olapeju, that I call all of us in school then call him Arobo. He earned the name Arobo because he was such a small boy while we were in school. We got into the private college in Ekiti in 1968 to start our future. So Oladele Olapeju, who will be retiring in the next few days, was my classmate. And while we were in school, we were in the same house. One thing is, he was so studious, he was serious about studies, he wasn't playing at all. And while some of us were playing, we didn't really get serious until when the exams were approaching. People like Oladele, we just take the books, they were at the lessons, and they were very serious in class.